Good afternoon, Wole. Yes, the market went up today, 0.22% of the all share index. The index closed at 21,394.77 points, having gained 0.22%. The market cap also was good, 6.83 trillion naira today. And though activities continued in the modest way we have noticed all week, we had up to 105 companies traded in about 2,966 deals for a value of 1.13 billion naira.
All right, like you noted,
Gainers.
I'm sorry to cut in, Ebi, but like you noted, the market is showing a very moderate trading recently and, of course, quite volatile all of this week. What do we expect for next week, though? Of course, we're coming to the end of the month. Any month-end effects that you think could spark a rally in the market?
Definitely, Wole. We expect next week to be a lot more buoyant than what we observed this week. Taking from the activities today, like I said, it's quite modest through the week, but the month-end effect, funds and managers of different portfolios will be closing their books for the month of June next week. And so the structure of the portfolios will have to be maintained and rearranged to suit the objectives of the portfolios. We do expect more activities in the market next week.
All right, and let's talk a bit about a few of the companies making news. Of course, Fortis Microfinance Bank listed earlier this week. We've seen the price move up a little bit. What are your thoughts on that company, and do you think that we could see this rally sustained in the stock price?
Fortis Microfinance Bank is a very welcome security to the daily official list. Being a microfinance bank and relevant to those who should really have attention in the economy, the ordinary people, not to talk anybody down, and being just a second microfinance bank to be listed on the floor of the stock exchange, we see a situation where that stock is going to attract a lot of attention, having gained visibility by being on the daily official list. More people will want to hold shares of Fortis Microfinance Bank, and of course, the company is poised to do a lot more, considering the range of activities they are involved in. We saw about 2 million units done today, and we're optimistic more activities will show in Fortis Microfinance Bank.
Let's move on to the only ETF listed on the NSE, the New Gold ETF. Comparing its listing price to its current price, it hasn't changed much. The price has been quite volatile since it got listed last year. Your thoughts on the level of interest in that security?
It's not unexpected. New Gold is a derivative, and it's new in our own environment on the market. We are gradually gaining awareness about it, and we think gradually even more interest will show in investments in New Gold. Today it lost about 90 naira to close at 2,490 naira, having traded just 250 units. But as I said, the discussions amongst brokers indicates that interest will gradually build up in New Gold.
All right, and let's move on to some other companies making news this week. CNI Leasing, of course, releases full-year results for 2011 earlier this week, showing a recovery from a loss position to a profit. Your thoughts on where that stock price could go from where it is now?
Yeah, another welcome development is the fact that CNI Leasing has moved from the red to green. But the market is yet to react to that. Today, the price still remained at par. So going forward, we'll be observing. We think there will be some change.
All right, Ebi, thank you so much for your update, and enjoy your weekend.